This is about to be tight. Oh, the fact that I just turned right. Let's do it then. Hello? What is that timer for? Shoot, that is terrifying. Imagine we had like food on the top of the car or something. That's tough.
Oh my god, it's so stupid. Just look at the back.
It's cool. Looks like we're inside like a freaking arcade. Yeah.
We'll turn the air on.
Because yeah, I remember I kept doing that when Dad every time, bro. Every single time. I'm like, it be hot. Dang, how many times? That's bird dookie right there. I'm gonna need that to come off. Right there. That needs to come off. And that comes off, I'm getting a 7-star review out of 5. Okay, change colors. Water. Water. It's been a minute and 50 seconds. There's no way it's 5 minutes. That look-y look kind of freaky.
I love this part.
Oh, the blinking lights are tripping me out. The freak? Now I can finally see outside.
How long is this video so far?
2 minutes.
I'm like barely halfway. Whoa. Did they actually do
Why is it out there?
This is not the end, is.
So we're on the 4th one. On the wait. Is it the 5th or the 4th? Oh wait, I'm so yes. That sound so satisfying. I don't know how many times the Challenger got washed, but holy. This is now like 5 minutes. I look, if our car had LED lights, blue LED lights, that would be tough.
What's next?
It's just doing things over and over again.
Yes, you don't understand.
Nah, it didn't do my window. It didn't do any window.
Around, dude.
It better do my window, bro. Oh yeah, good boy. Did I just say good boy? I did. Nah, why is it said spot free rent? We didn't.
You did the light just didn't work.
Jeez, I told you this was gonna be 5 minutes.
It's just like 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
No, it's gonna be 5 minutes.
Actually,
I say 5 minutes. It has to be 5 minutes. 1 to 4 minutes.
Danny.